Hey, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna give you guys a very quick video. It's on how to check your Capital One credit card balance. Really quick video. We're not gonna waste any time with it. So first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Capital One accounts. Now you can log into your Capital One accounts on the website using your computer, or you can log in using the mobile app. So just download the mobile app, the Capital One mobile app, if you don't have that already. But if you do, just go ahead and log into your account from there. And now you're going to click on the account balance button, and that's going to pull up a page where you can view your current balance. Now you can review the balance details, including of course the current balance, available credits, as well as minimum payment due. And this is pretty useful to keep yourself up to date on what's going on your accounts and such. You could also advise you guys to set up account alerts for your statements or your balances. That way you get to stay on top of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check your Capital One's credit card balance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.